Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another index card to share with Distress Oxide Inks. I start by creating the background by using the oxide inks on a piece of acetate. I dry every layer in between before I go on top with the next color. I'm stamping the flowers on a piece of old book paper. The stamp set is from Altenew. I use a gold Neocolor crayon that is water soluble to color in the flowers a little bit. I use a glue stick to adhere the flowers after I cut them out. I use some Viva Las VegaStamps to add some background stamping. Finally, I choose a Tim Holtz sticker and adhere it to the card. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, so please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!